Hello again and welcome. My name is Goldman and today we'll be looking at creating videos using Inshot. Now, once you open your Inshot, this is what you see first, and the first bubble says video, so we're going there, create new. So we'll go to new. From new, we can now start selecting those snippets of videos that we have. Remember, I told you they're all 6 seconds each. Now, I already know how I arrange them. Are you a small business? We provide the best marketing solutions, get in touch, and finally this. Now when you're done selecting all of that, you come to this green icon here that has a check mark. Click on it, it opens. Once you're done, you want to proofread everything. Now once you're done proofreading, I have proofread this before, so I'm going to just do what I want to do. I want to shorten this off, hasten the speed, so I'll click on any of the clips and go to speed. Once here, I will just increase it, make it faster. About 1.6 is enough. Okay. And then the last one, doing the same thing, increasing the speed to 1.6. So once you do that, you check and everything is okay. You can now come and make your voiceover. Now to make your voiceover, you have to go to music here. So once you click on music, it opens 3 other icons. Now you want to go to records because that's the main deal. So once you go to record, it starts ticking the timer, 3 2 1, and it goes. But since we're actually voiceover now, we don't want to mess it up, so I'm going to do the voiceover and also add the tracks later. So we should just keep watching. I'm going to fast forward now. So this is our voiceover. Here, this one I'm tapping at is our voiceover, and here is our video. Tap on the screen to go back. Now if you noticed, we don't have a background sound yet, so we're going to add a background sound, and all we'll simply do is go to tracks. You can choose from the featured features here, but you have to download them. We're going to music, and also there's a non-special effect too. You can also take from a video. If you have one, you can just go there, pick the video, and the audio follows it. But we're not doing that, so we're going to take from our music library. I have already selected one to use. This one looks okay. Now, having done that, you will see all of this. Now these spikes that you are seeing inside it shows that they are a bit high in volume, so you want to cut down the volume to a specific rate. So I want to bring down my volume to about here. It's still audible, but I want it to be in the background. I don't want it to overshadow my own voice because I don't have a high one. Now, having done this, having done all of this, and you play to preview, this is what you hear. And once you're done with the preview, all you simply do is, okay, here I have to clip this, split and delete, then save. Now having saved that, I have to save it the second time to finalize everything by clicking save here and save. I'll be told to choose from either of these formats. Now looking at all of them, I noticed that this is recommended 5 for 5 MB, 512p, but I want it to be a bit higher since I'm bringing out something from it and I want the video to be clear. I might just go with 640. So once I'm done, it initializes, goes through the whole process, and done. That's how we make our video. Now your video can be exported, or you can just go to your player and play from there. So this is it. Hope you do yours too. Bye.